Hello, dear students. Have a nice day to all. Today I am here to teach you the last part of 8th chapter, Natural Resources, from your social science textbook. In the last session, we have learned soil formation and the types of soils. In this session, we are going to learn soil erosion and measures to prevent soil erosion, soil conservation and remedies of soil conservation. First, we learn what is soil erosion. The speedy transportation of land particles from one place to another by wind and water is called soil erosion. Once the upper layer of the soil is eroded, it takes many years for its formation. If the upper layer of the soil is washed away, then we know that agriculture is not possible. Therefore, the soil erosion should be prevented. Now let's see what measures are to be taken in order to prevent soil erosion. First of all, the grazing activity over the land should be controlled. Plantation should be done in contour method in slopy regions. Contour means, by arranging in lines. And trees should be planted over the fallow land. Then check dams should be constructed where depressions have developed due to running water. Deep ploughing should be carried out to reduce the speed of the water. Bunds should be constructed around the farms in order to prevent sheet erosion, and tree plantation should be carried out so that erosion can be prevented. By taking all these preventive measures, soil erosions can be controlled to a great extent. Now let's see what is meant by soil conservation. Prevention of loss of the topmost layer of soil from erosion and to maintain the quality of the soil is called as soil conservation. Soil conservation is directly connected to retain the soil particles at their original place. The remedies of soil conservation are as follows. Forests should be grown over the fallow land so that the roots of the trees hold the soil particles together. By constructing terrace farms and by growing trees, erosion of soil can be prevented. By growing trees along the edge of desert areas can prevent winds blowing with more velocity so that the advancing of deserts also can be prevented. Floods can be controlled by diverting their flow into another river or by filling up the flood water into the dry riverbeds. Next, the unrestricted pasturing loosens the soil layer on mountains. So, this pasturing of animals should be prevented. Methods like horizontal cultivation and terrace farming should be done in order to prevent soil erosion. Then humus content should be added to the soil if the soil has lost its fertility. So by doing all this, soil conservation can be done. Hope that you all understood these two topics well. Please read the chapter from your textbook. Until we meet again with a new chapter, take care. Bye.